Introduction to Chapter 1 Using Operations to Compete. In this chapter, students will learn operation management concept, which includes the meaning of operation management, supply chain, process, operation management function, operation management strategy, competitive priority. Students also will learn to use operations management tools. In this chapter, students must complete reading assignment. The pages are available on the blackboard. Students also must complete all assignment. Students should watch video exercises and concepts to prepare for the quiz. Students should follow the deadline carefully. Students are free to ask any questions and send emails. I will try to answer all email during my office hours. Thank you very much.